Okay, this really is my most favourite time of the day. I'm out walking the dogs and everything is just so peaceful. It's amazing. And the sun is rising just behind me. So it's one of my favourite times of the day. This vlog hopefully will include Peter. I'm sure it will this time. He's feeling much better, which is really great. I think he's still cold over there, but it's but I think he's feeling much better. So I don't think he realised quite how much work there was there. So some of you might have seen in some of our shorts, there's quite a bit, but we'll get there. He'll get there. I say we, it's the royal we. He will get there, so that's amazing. Right, I'd best get on with this walk with these two, and hopefully I can send you over to Peter in the UK for a little bit, and then later on I'm hoping to start in the front room here. So we'll see how we get on. Let's see if Sam's actually up for helping, because I think I may need some muscle on this one. Anyway, back to the vlog.
Hi guys, I'm in UK and we're about to start this project and get this house turned round, turn it back into a family home, but it's in a real state and needs tons and tons of work. I have been ill and I'm finally okay now. When I first arrived in UK, absolutely freezing. It was, I think, -5, -6. It was a massive difference between Spain and here. But I'm finally okay now. Monday morning, and we're raring to go. This used to be a shed, but I think over the years, eventually it fell down. Loads of bits and pieces inside it. There's a fridge there. There's a massive clear up operation needed. The whole garden really needs some serious attention. First things first, we want to make this place safe.
Okay, I've decided I'm gonna try and do this in this front room here. Okay, as you can see, I've moved most things out the way from there. What I'm trying to get off is the corners, yeah. Oh, it's gone all fuzzy. I think it's because it's going in on my finger. Not too sure. But anyway, yeah, gonna try and get the cornicing off, which is there. And then I might see if I can get that off. I'm not too sure if I will be able to, but there you go, you can see it a bit better now. So this last bit's been super glued, right?
Yeah.
Dagnammit. We've moved from the lightweight chisel to the heavy duty chisel. Bearing in mind that the security camera's there. Do you reckon I should cover that with something?
Maybe, yeah.
Hang on a sec then. That works then. Gosh. Okay, the main bit's down, thank goodness. Thank you, Sam, who was helping me. We're now going to try and take down the mouldings, I think it's called. Or whatever it is, we're going to try and get it down anyway. Okay, we've done what we set out to achieve today. Thank you, Sam, for your help. But yeah, we've got the mouldings down, but I did go back to the, I'm sure they're called, is it, no, tabiques or walls. What are these got, baldosas? Baldosas? The ceiling things? Oh, I'm not too sure, but I will show Peter later to see whether or not he's going to moan at me or not. Sam seems to think that that's probably needs to be taken back anyway, because a lot of the plaster that's up there is actually quite loose. So it's going to be, oh, bits are falling down. It's going to be easier to collar when it comes around to it. So yeah, really pleased with that. The only thing now is, I've got to tidy all this lot up. That's the worst bit. It's fun making the mess. It's horrible tidying it up. The time is actually 6 o'clock here in Spain. I've actually brought my pillow, all the dog's here with me, and a couple of blankets out. I've been up since about 4:45. Peter sent through a drawing of the kitchen and the 2 bathrooms that are existing at the moment. This was yesterday evening. And then he sent through the sizes, the dimensions for the kitchen, just not for the bathrooms yet. And I woke up and my mind started going with the kitchens and everything. So I'm sat here trying to fathom out how the kitchen can go. I'm on the IKEA website because IKEA kitchens are easy to replace if something goes wrong, and obviously this is a rental property for us, so it works. Bless Peter's heart. He's given me a few stipulations. The boiler cannot be moved, which is number 1. Now, in the previous 2 houses we've done, we've actually replaced the boiler, but this is quite a new boiler, so he's saying, please, can we just leave the boiler where it is? Okay, fair enough. I will pop in what he's actually asked me to do and where the boiler is. I will pop the picture in for you. It just makes things difficult, very difficult, because another stipulation, he wants a Belfast sink because the house is a Victorian and he didn't like the sink in the last property we put in. And yeah, I won't even go into the bathrooms yet. He's not sent me the actual dimension for those, but obviously there's 2 because at the moment it's not at the moment, it was a house of multiple occupancy, so you had to have the 2 bathrooms. I think he wants to knock them into 1, which then throws up another whole problem because the washing machine is in between the kitchen and the 2 bathrooms, and he's talking about putting the washing machine back in the kitchen. It's a small kitchen anyway. So I'm going with that at the moment, and I'm trying to get as many, because I know cupboards are really needed in kitchens these days. All the gadgets and everything else you don't really want out on display. You'd actually like to try and hide them. So yeah, I am on my 2nd cup of coffee. Yeah, I'll keep going. The triangle I have in mind as well, and I think I can get it in. It's just doing the units. Can I mix and match? Or should I just stick to the 1 and see what Peter says? I think I might need a couple more coffees to get me through just the kitchen design. I don't know. If you have any comments, this kitchen is not going to be ordered within the next week, I don't think, because I really need to make sure it's a-okay, and the old kitchen is still there anyway at the moment, so that's fine. Do you put the washing machine back in the kitchen? Do you leave it where it is at the moment and put shelving and things around it? There's only the washing machine and then room above the washing machine in the little cubby. Or do we go continental? Because a lot of people out here in Spain, and I think they might do it in France as well, they sometimes put the washing machine in the bathroom. I don't know if you really do that in the UK. Please leave comments and let me know what you actually think. Honestly, I'd be really interested to know. It is in the UK. It is a Victorian end terrace. What do you guys think? In the meantime, I'm going to carry on looking here at the kitchen units. Actually, I've got 25 minutes before Leo's up, so he gets up at 6:30. 25 more minutes, then I'll put it down till I get back from doing everything I need to do this morning. Okay, it's that dreaded time of year. Been in the pine trees. because it's been unseasonably, I can't say it, unseasonably, yeah, it is, that's right, unseasonably warm here. The processionary caterpillar nests are starting to hatch early, so I'm just at the minute going to have a quick look round. We did have them sprayed in October, so I'm hoping we don't actually have any nests, especially with the pooches. So as far as I can see, there's nothing in these two, but I'll keep looking. Okay, just getting out of the sunshine. It's quite warm today. Basically I have had a good look round at, we've got 5 trees, so I've had a good look around at all 5 of them, and from what I can see, we don't seem to have any new nests. I will keep an eye out though. I think I need to check every day because they are deadly for the dogs. Absolutely, they can actually kill a dog, the caterpillars. So hence it was important we had them done in September. Had the trees sprayed in September. So yeah, hey babies, right, okay. I'm just really happy because it's all been in the news over here that they're coming out early because of the heat. So yeah, pleased that so far, as far as I can see, last year they were very noticeable. So yeah, quite happy. Should we go and get a drink, guys? Yeah. Okay, I think I'm going to leave the vlog there for today. Might be a little bit shorter than normal, but I think that's okay. Basically, Peter's still carrying on in the UK. We're finding the ways of trying to get everything across to me here, so I can actually pop them into the videos and everything. Hello, my darlings. Both dogs now come out. Sam and I will continue on with the ceiling in the front room here. Gonna get all that down. I won't bore you with us taking it all down. I'll just show you the end result. I am a little bit worried with the orange bricks showing through. So I'm not too sure when Peter actually will be coming back. So until he does, we shall be living with orange brick ceilings, or glimpses of orange brick ceiling, but that's okay. But it will just have to be done. Yeah, the kitchen for the UK and the bathrooms we've actually spoken a little bit more about, so I'll be working on those as well. Right now though, I think I might need a nice cold drink because it's still so warm here. Sorry guys in the UK, not trying to rub it in, but it is, it's very, very warm. So until next time, yeah, we'll see you soon. So until next time, I better say it right, considering I had to go at Peter that one time. See you next time, guys.